Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of October 21st, 2014. As always, the charts in this presentation come from the Trade Navigator software. We're looking at a weekly bond market chart here, and you can see they really haven't done much of anything this week, and they probably won't. Last week sort of skewed things up so where you can't really get much of anything. We're looking at resistance up here 146.24 and the best support down around 141.08. Good chance they don't trade either of those things. When you have a spike up like this, you would expect at some point they'll have to test that high. Now, it might be a very feeble, weak test. But I think it has to go a little higher than it has so far this week. But, they could fail miserably. But I think they have to test it. I just don't know. But what they have to go down to 141.08 or maybe even down here to 139.12 before they do that. They could go lower before going higher. I don't expect them to leave this, naked with 4 full points of range with nothing on either side of it. They'll probably test at some point. Might fail, but they'll probably test. They just might go lower first. And for this week, there's just not much to do with them, I don't think. Stocks don't do this. No market does. They just go straight down and straight back up. And this is a weekly chart, but if we looked at a daily chart, it would look virtually the same, just straight down, straight back up. Very unusual price pattern in any market. They usually make waves. They usually do bases and accumulate and distribute and test highs and lows. And this is just not doing that. So it's pretty difficult to figure out what to do with them. It looked like support this week could be down in the 1825 area. That's long gone. Instead, they used the 1875 area as support up here. The resistance here at the middle moving average in 1915 has apparently had no bearing at all, and it sure looks like they want to test 1950 up here, and with this much momentum, who knows? They may be going right back to new highs. Again, very unusual price action. It's markets just don't V-bottom and spike top very frequently. There's swings, not just one direction. And that's still possible here. They could, run into some difficulty up here in the 1950 area and come back for some sort of retest. At this point, though, there is a risk of them shooting right straight back up to the highs. As incredible as that is, it certainly looks like they could do that. And let me just reiterate, that's not normal. It just looks like they could do it here. So that's what we've got for you today. I sure hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.